Hello, my name is Elena Verdin. I'm a sophomore here at McNeese State University, known as the Cowgirls. In Cowgirl basketball, we have a famous word called sheesh. With this word, we have several examples or ways that we use this word, but you have to use it in the right context. Okay, for example, the first word, we have sheesh, which is just, simple, regular. Like if we on the basketball court, we dribbling, we just can't get it together, we lose the ball, it's like, sheesh, lost the ball. We get it, whatever, we move on. Our second example here is sheesh. Like if I'm walking and I hit my leg on the desk, like, sheesh, like, sheesh, that hurt. Whatever, that's our second example, right? See, this third example is like Coach Williams, she got us running out the 11 seconds, up and down the court, like, we get one down, we come back, get another one down, we like, sheesh, we tired. All right, Coach, it's time to do something else. So these are our three examples of the word sheesh, and hopefully, I clarified on, which word to use at what point of time. Thank you for your time.